Hello everyone, welcome here. So today I'm going to share my new project on the Power BI. So this project is about connecting the multiple source files and do some dashboards there. And then this is the problem statement. So we can understood this first. So in this dashboard view, I have to display the different metrics like gross revenue, discount, net revenue, cost, gross margin, discount percentage, and the gross margin percentage using different charts and the visualization. To slice the data, I have to use multiple slicers. Okay, so like this view, I have to do the dashboard, and in the tabular view, I have to display some metrics in the pivot table by date and team. Okay, so for tabular view, I have to make some dashboard is like this page. Okay, so let's move toward the Power BI and I will show you how to do this. So this is the heading as I shared in my previous videos. Like this is the text box, and I have to add the header here, and I can do any change for the style from this. Okay, so next we can see here there is the 2 years data. So this year, quarter, month, and the team is the this all are the slicers. I have get it from this visualization pane, and this is the slicer. Okay, so after clicking on this, we have to add the fields here from the data source. We can add. So from the data, I have added the year from the date hierarchy. Okay, so this is the year. So I have to add it here, and then it will show us the 2020 and 2019. Okay, so we can analyze the data by using this for the 2019 and the 2020. Okay, this all the dashboard will change for the 2020. Okay, so likewise we can see we can filter it for 2019 and then 2019's first quarter. Okay, so for the first quarter this all dashboard will be changed. Next is the month. So for the quarter one, which month we have to analyze, we can analyze that also by using this filter like Feb for the Jan and the March. Okay, and for the March in the quarter one in the 2019, which for which team we have to analyze, we can analyze that also by using these slicers. Okay, so I am removing all the filters. Let's understood this dashboard. So this is the cards 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These all are the cards. I have added it from this visualization page. From here, this is the cards. So after click on this card, I have to add the field like gross sales here, and then I have did some formatting for the units and all. For the changing the units, we can see here data in the data label. Here is the display units option. So if I select the thousands, it will change in the thousands. Okay, so now I want in the millions. Okay, so likewise I have did this all. So here the cost is 5 million, the discount is 1 million, the gross margin is the 4 million, the net sales is the 9 million, and the gross sales is the 10 million. Okay, and the next is visual is the this is this gauge. So I have added it from the here visualization pane. This is the gauge. So after adding, I have to add the field here. So I added the discount here. After adding discount, I will get the this gauge like for which filter it is showing how much discount percentage. Okay, so next is the net sales by the team. It is the donut chart. It is added from here in the visualization pane. There is one donut chart behind pie chart. So I have taken this visual, and then I have added the teams and the legend, and in the values there is the net sales. Okay, so we can analyze the teams as per the teams how much the net sales. Okay, So for here we can see for the team 5 it will, it may have the more than the others. Okay, it's all are the equal after seeing, but the more is this. So from team 5 it's more, it's showing the more net sales. Okay, you can analyze likewise. And this is the margin, percentage gross margin. Okay, so this is also the gauge I have added it from here. And this is showing the 44.41 percentage gross margin. Okay, so it all the these all the visuals will be changed if I do the filter on anything from here. Okay, so this is the next visual. This what is this? This is the stacked area chart. I have taken it from this here visualization pane. This is the chart, stacked area chart. So here we have to add the axis. So in the axis I have added the month from here, and the values here I have added the percentage gross margin. Okay, so we can add it anything, like if we have to add the teams in the legend, we can add that also, and we can analyze the data. So now I don't want this team here. So we can see here percentage gross margin by month. For the September month it is 45.30 percentage. So it's more for July month. Okay, so it is showing the maximum number of the gross margin percentage. For the July month its total is 46.55 percentage. Okay, and the less than this we can see here, it is the 45.38 for the April month. Okay, so if we do the filters, so likewise the data will be changed. So we can see here, if I can do the filter here for the 2020 year, and in the 2020 year here is the one quarter of data is present. So I have did filter on there also on that, and then I have to analyze it for the Jan. Okay, so I did filter there also, and I have to see the data for the team 5. So after selecting this, see this all data will be changed visuals, and here the 9.314 percentage discount for this team 5 from team 5 for January month for 2020 year in the quarter 1 net sales by team, from the team 5 it's showing the more. Actually it is from it is for the team 5. If I not view the filter here, so it will show the, it will show the all the team net sales. Okay, so if I have to see the only team 2, so I can see that also and see here, or I can see all. Okay, so here also the gross margin percentage will be changed after doing the filters here. And for this month January it will show for this that particular month. If I not do the filter on here, then it will show for the all quarter. Okay, for the March it's showing so less, for the January it's more than others, in the February it is less than the January. Okay, so move towards the tabular view. We can see in the tabular view here also, the I have added the slicers for the year, quarter, month, and the team. This is the, this is the text box, and this all are the cards. So here we can see this is the table. I have taken it from this visualization pane. Here is the table. We have to click on this, and then after clicking on this it will show us here. So after that we have to select the values that we have to add in the table. So I selected all the values. So first I have added the year, then the quarter, then the month, the cost, discount, then the gross sales, net sales, percentage discount, percentage gross margin. Okay, and here we can see here the whole total of that cost, discount, gross sales is also there. So for what we are using the table, for the detailed information. Okay, so that we can get the detailed information for particular year, how much in which quarter, which month, what is the cost, and what is the discount, gross sales, net sales, percentage discount, percentage gross margin. So for that we can see the table. We can analyze by using the table for the detailed information. It will show us the particular deep information about that particular year or particular month. Okay, we can add filter on this also. So for if I click on the January, it will show me the cost for the January, discount, gross margin, the net sales, and the gross sales. Okay, if I click on the March, it will change. See here. Okay, so likewise we can do the filter on here also. And this is the button I have added. So from where we can add the button in the visual. So from the insert tab we can select the buttons, and which button we have to add. We have to click on that, and after adding it will show us like this. So we can do the formatting of that button also. From here we can change the icon, we can fill it by any color, we can set the background color, border, shadow, and then for if I click on this button, I have to move on this page. If I have to click on this button, then I have to move towards this page. So for the moving of the page, I have to do the action on this button. For setting the action, I have to click on this button and then go to this action. Then what I have to do is the page navigation. These two are the pages, and I have to move in between the two pages. For moving, I have to select the type, page navigation. Here are some other types also, so we can see it by further. So this is the page navigation, and for this page I have to move towards the dashboard view page. So that I have to add the destination here. Okay, I have added, we can see, and then after this we can see here I have to click the control click so that I can move towards here. And in this button, I set the action for the page navigation on the tabular view, so that I can, after clicking this, I can move towards the tabular view. So this is all about my this project. And after doing my project, I publish it on the Power BI service, so we can learn it furthermore. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much for the watching.